Hi friends, it's Keyport Waterfront Park and the birds were out and about. Every kind of bird you can imagine, from the seagulls to the laughing gulls to the grackles to the crows and even a great horned owl. It was spectacular. Here's the great horned owl. He was just gorgeous. The day was beautiful, mid-70s. This was on Sunday, and I'm going to say this was the calm before the storm, because we went back today and it was wild, the wind. I think it was anywhere from 17 to 20 miles per hour, the wind today. It was crazy. I'll show that video as well. But there were so many birds. We even saw crows. It was just spectacular. And I will be showing some of those clips as well. Just breathtaking. Keyport Waterfront Park, a must-see in Keyport, New Jersey. Take the kids as well. They have fishing, they had activities, they have a beautiful boardwalk, they had music, and they have dining across the street. Check it out.